You might find yourself asking, what is a VPN and why do I need one? Well, let me get VPN explained to you, why use a VPN, how to use VPN, and do you really need VPN? A VPN isn't complicated. At its core, it created a secure connection between your device and the internet. Instead of connecting directly to a website, your traffic goes through a VPN server, which hides your IP address and protects your data. So websites, apps, and even your ISP can't easily trace what you're doing or where you're really located. Privacy and anonymity. One of the biggest reasons people use a VPN is online privacy. Every search, every click, every site you visit, it all leaves a trail. Without protection, your ISP can track it. In some cases, even advertisers and third parties can build a profile around you. That's where a VPN changes things. With features like IP masking, DNS leak protection, a strict no-log policy, your online activity becomes far more private. Top providers like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Private Internet Access even use RAM-only servers, meaning your data isn't stored long-term. You can scan the QR code on screen or check the link in the description to explore some of the best VPN deals available right now. Public Wi-Fi and security. Public Wi-Fi might be convenient, but it's also risky. Hackers can intercept your data, especially if you are shopping online, logging into accounts, entering sensitive information. A VPN adds multiple layers of defense. Encryption keeps your data unreadable. IP and DNS leak protection prevents exposure. A kill switch cuts your connection if something goes wrong. So even on public networks, your connection stays secure. Another major benefit is unblocking restricted sites. Some websites and apps limit what you can access based on your location. But with a VPN, you can connect to different server locations, get a new IP, and unblock restricted sites. Providers like ExpressVPN and Private Internet Access offers large networks of server locations, making this process quick and seamless. Now let's talk about torrenting and P2P file sharing. By default, these activities expose your IP address to other users in the network. That means your identity, location, and activity can be visible. But with a VPN, your real IP is hidden, your connection is encrypted, your activity stays private. It adds a layer of anonymity that simply doesn't exist otherwise. Saving money. Here's something surprising. The price you see online isn't always the same for everyone. Websites often adjust prices based on your location. With a VPN, you can switch region, compare prices, and sometimes pay significantly less. If you want to try that yourself, grab the link in the description or scan the QR code to check the current offers on ExpressVPN. ISP Throttling. Ever notice your internet slowing down for no reason? That's often your ISP limiting your speed, especially during streaming or downloads. A VPN hides your activity so your provider can't interfere, which means no throttling and more stable speeds. In some parts of the world, access to websites and apps is restricted entirely. This is where VPNs play a much bigger role. They help bypass censorship using remote server connections, obfuscation technologies, protection against deep packet inspection. In simple terms, they help restore access to a more open internet. Even when using tools designed for anonymity, like Tor, there are still risks. A VPN adds an extra layer by masking your IP address, hiding your connection from a ISP, securing your data before it even reaches those networks. It's not about complexity, it's about adding protection where it matters. VPN options. So now you might be thinking, which VPN should I actually use? Let's keep it simple. NordVPN. If you want something powerful and packed with features, NordVPN stands out. It's built for people who want strong privacy, advanced security, and flexibility. With features like Double VPN and Onion over VPN, it adds extra layer of protection most users never even think about. And with 9,000 plus servers across 160 plus countries, you can get fast, reliable access almost anywhere in the world. ExpressVPN. If you prefer something simple and fast, ExpressVPN is a great choice. It's built for people who don't want to think about setting or technical details. You open the app, tap once, and you're connected. You get high-speed performance, strong encryption, and smooth, stable connections. With 1,000 servers in 100 plus countries, it gives you consistent access wherever you are. Reality check. Now a quick reality check. VPNs are powerful, but they're not magic. They won't replace antivirus software, make you anonymous on social media, or erase browsing history on your device. But for privacy and security, they are one of the most effective tools you can use. If you're ready to try one for yourself, just scan the QR code on screen or check the link below to get access to the best available VPN deals. Conclusion. So when you look at it all together, a VPN helps you protect your online privacy, secure your connection, avoid tracking, bypass geo-blocks, prevents ISP throttling, and simply take more control over your internet experience. You don't have to use one, but once you understand what it does, it's easy to see why so many people choose to. The internet is a powerful place. A VPN just helps you use it on your own terms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.